For more than a century, Kindeva Drug Delivery has laid the groundwork for tomorrow's drug-device combination products. We spearheaded the evolution of inhalers, self-administered autoinjectors, and transdermal drug delivery, safeguarding our soldiers, expanding device options, protecting the environment, and helping our partners bring better solutions to patients around the world. And we're just getting started. We're taking innovation to new heights, reimagining injectables, introducing world-class capabilities with Annex 1 compliance and DEA Class 2 through 5 controlled substance approval, and leading the way in sustainability. Partnering to improve health and spark innovation from the very start. Integrated expertise across your product's full timeline, tailored to your product's needs. Innovate more tomorrows. Combine forces with Kindeva.